Hello, good morning. I'm Anna, and I want to tell you about some endangered species. Some of these endangered species include the Amur leopard, Sunda tiger, Yangtze finless porpoise, and lots more. But for this podcast, I chose only one endangered animal called the black-footed ferret. This special ferret is mostly found here in Canada, most likely in some of the grasslands and prairies in Alberta and Saskatchewan. I have even brought in an expert to talk about it with me. Hello. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Green, and I am a wildlife scientist from Kala Conservation Science Labs. Here in these labs, we study biodiversity loss and try to help these endangered species to the best of our ability. Today, I have been invited onto this podcast to talk about this amazing endangered animal. These playful ferrets are endangered because their main food source, prairie dogs, are endangered. These prairie dogs were poisoned by farmers since they are considered agriculture pests, which reduced their numbers. The black-footed ferrets are also endangered because of a disease called sylvatic plague. This disease is carried onto rodents. Some prairie dogs carry this disease, and when the ferrets eat them, they start carrying the disease that the prairie dog had. The sylvatic disease causes death to animals. That's the most likely cause of the ferret being endangered. Wow, that's so interesting. I never knew that. So these cute black-footed ferrets are endangered because of their lack of food source? But Dr. Green, I have a question for you. When were the black-footed ferrets discovered? That's a good question. Black-footed ferrets were discovered in 1851 in North America. At a point in time, some people even believe that they were completely extinct in 1979. There was no real trace of wild black-footed ferrets, since they were a pretty rare find. A lot of scientists were scared that they were gone forever. But soon in 1981, a small population of these ferrets were discovered in Wyoming. Ever since then, wildlife scientists and wildlife organizations worked hard to protect the species. These ferrets are now slowly being reintroduced to the populations, especially in grassland where prairie dogs roam. That's pretty cool. People really thought that they were extinct? It's really inspiring to hear that scientists did not give up on them easily. What are some ways that people can help protect black-footed ferrets and other endangered species? People can help by supporting wildlife conservation programs around Canada, protecting neutral habitats, and spreading some awareness about these endangered animals. Even just learning about the wildlife and spreading awareness could help make a difference and keep these species alive in the future.